Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to use image click-through URLs in Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace website dashboard, and let's go to my website editor. So let's click Edit Site, and then from here, let's click on Edit. So in order to add an image click-through URL, we first need to add a blank section right here. And then, for example, I will add an image block. So I have the image block right here. And then I can go ahead and insert an image. We can upload our own image or we can select from the library. So I will just select from the library. For example, I want to use this image. And then in order to have a click-through URL, we just need to click on this button right here that says Edit Link. So when we click on this, we have different options. We can add a URL to a different page of our website, or we can add an external URL. We can also choose if you want to have a file inserted right here. We can also add an email or a phone number. So for example, I will add a file. So I will add this video file right here. And then click on Save. And then whenever I click on the image, it will download that specific video. So that is an example of an image click-through URL. So you can go ahead if you want to use a URL or an image or a different file. And then if you have a gallery, so for example, let's go to Pages, and then let's go to my gallery page. We have a bunch of different images right here. You can also insert or make them a click-through image URL. So to do that, just click on Edit Gallery, and then choose the specific image that you want to have that specific URL, and then just click Attach Link, and then you can go ahead and choose if you want to add a URL, a file, an email, or a phone. For example, for URL, I'll type in here youtube.com, and then you can also choose if you want to open the link in a new tab. So let's go ahead and exit, and then when I click on this image right here, it will lead me to youtube.com. And then that's it. That is how we use image click-through URLs here in Squarespace. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.